All right, today on American Made EDC, we have the Dango Products Lighter Capsule. It is 6061 aluminum, machined here in the USA. It is waterproof and crush proof. It's got these holes on the top for you to put a lanyard. Got that O-ring on it to make it waterproof. This is a cool little attachment to make a big lighter into something really cool. I love carrying this on me when I'm hiking or camping, just to have a backup source of fire. Dango makes a lot of cool products. I think they're based out of California, but this is really cool.